Hello student. Today now going about the points development of the male gametophytes or microgametophytes. Last video we are also seen in a pollen grain, structure of the pollen grains. And the pollen grain are mature and they get formations of the pollen tube. And in between pollen tubes are two male gametes are developed. The process are called as the development of the male gametophytes or microgametophyte. Now, see in a development of male gametophyte. The pollen grain is immature male gametophytes. It is not a mature male gametophyte. It is pollen grain. It is the immature male gametophyte. It is the first cells of the male gametophyte. The process of development of gametophyte from pollen grain is called as the microgametogenesis. म्हणजे पोलन ग्रेन पासून मेल गॅमेटोफाइट डेव्हलपमेंट होणार आहे. ह्याच प्रोसिजर्सला आपण काय म्हणलेलं आहे, मायक्रोगॅमेटोजेनेसिस. मग दिस डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ द मेल गॅमेटोफाइट इज प्रिकॉशियस. It means begins in pollen sac, that is in situ. Pollen sac, this process development of male gametophytes are present in a pollen sac. ज्या वेळेस एंथर मध्ये पोलन ग्रेन्स प्रेझेंट आहेत त्यावेळेस ही प्रोसिजर्स होते डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ द मेल गॅमेटोफाइट्स. The development of male gametophytes occurs in two steps at the two places. It means the two steps are present, but these two steps are present in two different places. First, we'll see in two steps. First steps, it is the pre-pollination stage. And second, it is the post-pollination stage. First things, what is the mean by pollination? Pollination, the transfer of pollen grain anther to the stigma. This process are called as the pollination. It means pollen grain, they get mature and they get transfer anther to the stigma of the gynoecium part. It is the male gametophyte parts, they are deposited and they get fertilized to produce the diploid zygote, then the next steps. But these procedures, the transfer of pollen grain anther to the stigma, it is called as the pollination. The steps in development of male gametophyte, pre-pollination stage. Pre means it's before pollinations occurs in anther or pollen sac before pollinations. म्हणजे pollination stage होण्याच्या अगोदरची stage. And second, it is the post-pollination stage, after pollinations stage, completed on a stigma after pollination. म्हणजे काय, पोलन ग्रेन पॉलिनेशन होण्याच्या अगोदरची स्टेज, इट इज द प्री पॉलिनेशन स्टेज. आणि पॉलिनेशन झालंय, पोलन ग्रेन आर डिपॉझिटेड ऑन अ स्टिग्मा, दिस स्टेज आर कॉल्ड ॲज द पोस्ट पॉलिनेशन स्टेज. लक्षात येत आहेत, these are the two stages in development of male gametophyte, pre-pollination stage and post-pollination stage, like this. It is the development of male gametophyte. They are divided into two steps. First, it is the pre-pollination step or stage. This pre-pollination stage is present in the anther. In between pollen sac, pollen grain are present in a anther or pollen sac. This stage are called as the pre-pollination stage. Then pollen grain, they get mature and they get transferred anther to the stigma with the help of different agency like wind pollination, water pollinations, insect pollinations, or cell pollinations. Have different agency through pollen grain, they have transferred from anther to the stigma. This process are called as the pollinations. Pollination process are complete, then next stage are start. This stage are called as the post-pollination stage. The pollen grain are deposited on a stigma. This process, these steps are called as the post-pollination stage. These two steps, like this diagram, the pollen grain in between pre-pollination stage, the pollen grain are present in anther, and then pollination take place. The pollen grain are deposited on a stigma. They get formation of pollen tube. Okay. Now see in details pre-pollination stage and post-pollination stage. First stage, pre-pollination stage. The pollen grain undergo first mitotic divisions to form unequal cells. In between pollen sac, pollen grain, they get mature and they are divide first mitotic divisions. A single cell, it is the unicellular, a single cell divides to produce the two unequal cells. This two cell unequal size, first larger size, it is also called as the vegetative or tube cells. जी large cells आहे, दोन unequal cells आहेत, त्याच्यातली जी large cells आहे, it is called as the vegetative cell or tube cell, and the smaller cells is called as the generative cells. Okay, like this. It is the pollen grain in between pollen sac or anther, and these pollen grain divides mitotically to produce two unequal cells like these cells. This larger cell, it is called as the vegetative cells, and smaller cell, it is called as the generative cells. Okay. The pollination occur in most of the angiosperm at the two cell stage. First tube cell and second it is the generative cells. म्हणजे प्री पॉलिनेशन स्टेज आहे, प्रत्येक पोलन ग्रेन आर ट्रान्सफर होतोय स्टिग्मावर, त्यावेळेस पोलन ग्रेनची जी स्टेज असेल ती असेल टू सेल्स स्टेज असेल. ट्यूब सेल्स अँड जनरेटिव्ह सेल्स लाईक दिस ह्या स्टेज मध्ये ट्रान्सफर होणार आहे, लाईक दिस सेकंड डायग्राम्स. ओके, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज द टू सेल स्टेज. But some plants in generative cells divide to form the two male gametes before pollinations. Hence, the pollen grain are released at the three cell stage. That is, tube cells and two male gametes. Generative cells divides to form the two male gametes. But in some plants, जे काही प्लांट्स मध्ये थ्री सेल स्टेज असेल, म्हणजे सेकंड मायटोटिक डिव्हिजन्स आर प्रेझेंट इन प्री पॉलिनेशन स्टेज. फर्स्ट मायटोटिक डिव्हिजन, अ सिंगल सेल डिवाइड्स टू प्रोड्यूस टू सेल्स, वन लार्जर वेजिटेटिव्ह, सेकंड जनरेटिव्ह सेल्स. इन सम प्लांट्स जनरेटिव्ह सेल्स डिवाइड्स टू प्रोड्यूस द टू मेल गॅमेट्स. दिस म्हणजे ह्या तीन सेल स्टेज झाल्या. फर्स्ट व्हेजिटेटिव्ह सेल्स अँड ट्यूब सेल्स और ट्यूब सेल, अँड सेकंड इट इज द टू मेल गॅमेट्स. इन सम प्लांट्स द pre-pollination stage, pollen grain are released in three cell stage. Okay, thus the pollen grain are two or three cell stage at the time of pollination in angiosperm. And then pollen grain are transferred from anther to the stigma. Like anther wall are breakdown, stomium, like dehiscence of the anther, and suddenly pollen grain are spread in outer side, and these pollen grain are deposited on a stigma with the help of different agency. Self pollinations, they are automatically transferred to the stigma, and cross pollination are different agency are used like wind, water, insect, bird. They have transferred anther to stigma. This process are called as the pollination. It is the pre-pollination stage. Pre-pollination stage लक्षात आले का? The pollen grain divides mitotically to produce two unequal cells. First, vegetative cells, or second, smaller, it is the generative cells. It is the first mitotic division, but some plants is prefer the second mitotic divisions. Generative cells divides mitotically produce the two male gametes. Then pollen grain are three cell stage. Some plants two cell stage and some plants three cell stage. This pre-pollination stage is complete. Then pollen grain are transferred to anther to the stigma. Then pollination process. And then pollination take place, the pollen grain are deposited on a stigma, like post-pollination stage. The two-cell pollen grain, after dehiscence of the anther, in between protective layer, anther wall, endotheciums are suddenly break. It is the dehiscence of the anther and are released and falls on a stigma during the pollination stage. This stigma, it is the part of stamens. Stigma secrete sugary substance, mucilaginous substance, which stimulate further development of the male gametophytes. The pollen grain are travel. They are also provided to the energy, this stigma. Like sugary substance, mucilaginous substance, they are also provide the energy, further development of the male gametophyte. हा pollen grain अँथर मधून स्टिग्मावर डिपॉझिट झालाय, त्याला एनर्जीची गरज आहे. ही एनर्जी स्टिग्मा आर ऑल्सो प्रोव्हाइड, लाईक शुगरी सब्सटेन, म्युसिलेजनस सबस्टन्स आर ऑल्सो प्रोव्हाइड. The pollen grain absorb water and this energy or nutrient from stigmatic secretions through its germ pores, and they get swells. It's mean stigmatic secretions through its germ pore. हा एनर्जी एब्सॉर्ब करणार आहे विथ द हेल्प ऑफ जर्म पोर्स. मोनोकॉल्पेट, डायकॉल्पेट और ट्रायकॉल्पेट. कॉल्पेट थ्रू एनर्जी सिक्रेट करणार आहे and these pollen they get swelling. Okay. Intine of pollen grain come out through one germ pores and into form of tube-like structures. It is called as the pollen tube. This is the germinations of the pollen tube, like these pore structures. The pollen grain, large amount of the energy are absorbed, water are absorbed, and these intine, they get swelling. And suddenly pressure are created and intines are come into the one germ pores. This is the process of formation of pollen tube. Okay, like these diagrams, second diagrams, come out into the single germ pores. Okay. like these diagrams, second diagrams. The nucleus of vegetative or tube cells migrate into the pollen tube. In between larger cell, vegetative cell or tube cell, the nucleus are come out into the pollen tube. And these nucleus of the tube cells are migrate the way of the pollen tubes and reach at the tip. Now it is called as the tube nucleus, like these structures. At the upper sides, ह्या अप्पर साइडला हा ट्यूब न्यूक्लियस कोणाचा ट्यूब सेलचा मायग्रेट करणार आहे. ओके, and hence it is called as the tube nucleus. The generative cells divides by mitotic divisions to form the two male gametes. Some plants are already 3-cell stage. The generative cells divides to form two male gametes in pre-pollination stage, but some plants are only one mitotic division in pre-pollination stage. एकच pollination mitotic division झालेलं आहे. मग त्या pollen grain post pollination stage मध्ये generative cells division करणार आहे. And generative cells divides mitotically, produce the two male gametes. It is the second mitotic division. म्हणजे ज्यांनी 2-cell stage आहे तेच करणार आहेत, जे 3-cell stage आहेत ते नाही करणार. It means 2 mitotic divisions are occurs in development of the male gametophyte. The male gametes are very small, unicellular, uninucleated, haploid and non-motiles. These two male gametes, like these two male gametes, they are formed by generative cells, these male gametes. Okay, the germinating pollen grains with pollen tube in its cytoplasms and two male gametes is called as the male gametophytes. It is the male gametophyte. It is the mature male gametophyte. In pollen grain, it is the immature male gametophyte. But the germination pollen tube in its cytoplasms and two male gametes, this process are called as the mature male gametophyte. It is the male gametophyte. Okay. Formation of the pollen tube, it is the male gametophyte. The tube nucleus, after degenerate, before or after fertilization, these tube nucleus are transferred into the ovule, female gametophyte, and these tube nucleus are degenerate before or after fertilizations. In angiosperm, the male gametophyte is highly reduced, and three cells, most of all, one tube cell and two male gametes. It is the microscopic, endosporic, non-greens, haploid, and totally depend upon the sporophyte. These male gametes. Okay, it is the tree diagrams of development of the male gametophytes or microgametophytes. Pollen grain, it is the first mitotic divisions to produce two cell, unequal cell, larger cell, vegetative cells or tube cells, smaller cells, it is the generative cells. And on stigma, it means the post-pollination stage. It is the first, it is the pre-pollination stage. Second, it is the post-pollination stage. Pollen grain are deposited on a stigma. They get swelling. They have large amount of the sugary substance absorbed and they form a pollen tube. And second mitotic division take place. Generative cells divides to form the two male gametes. These two male gametes, one male gamete fuses with the eggs to form the zygote, and second male gamete to form the secondary nucleus and form the primary endosperm nucleus. These processes are in next video, now seen in a next video. But the development of male gametophyte in two stages, pre-pollination stage and second it is the post-pollination stage. Pre-pollination stage anther मध्येच pollen sac मध्ये होईल. Then pollination take place, the transfer of pollen grain anther to the stigma with the help of different agency. And post-pollination stage, second mitotic division in 3-cell stage, tube nucleus and two male gametes. It is the development of the male gametophytes. Okay, now this video stop here and next lectures will be seen in a formations of the gynoeciums. Next lectures will be studying gynoeciums. Okay, thank you.